Nature has inspired many incredible man-made structures, blending the beauty and efficiency of the natural world with human ingenuity. From the delicate petals of a lotus flower to the intricate design of a bird's nest, architects and engineers have drawn from the organic forms and functions found in nature to create awe-inspiring buildings and structures. Here are the top 7 biomimicry architectures from around the world. First is the Lotus Temple in India. As the name suggests, the inspiration came from the lotus flower. This Baha'i house of worship in New Delhi is shaped like a lotus flower, symbolizing purity and peace. Designed by Iranian architect Fariborz Sabah, the structure features 27 freestanding marble-clad petals, arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides. The temple's surface is made from white marble, imported from the Penteli mountain in Greece, the same marble used for ancient monuments like the Parthenon. The lotus flower was chosen because it is not associated with any particular religious sect or community, making it a universal symbol of peace and unity. The Lotus Temple is one of the most visited buildings in the world, attracting over 10,000 visitors daily and more than 4 million annually. It is also recognized as one of the top 50 most beautiful buildings in the world. Next is the Gherkin in London. Officially known as 30 St. Mary Axe, this skyscraper's design mimics the shape and structure of a sea cucumber, giving it its distinctive rounded appearance. Designed by Norman Foster and the Foster & Partners architectural firm, the building is a prime example of contemporary architecture. It stands at 180 meters tall and has 41 floors. Its circumference at the widest point is 178 meters, almost as wide as it is tall. The building's exterior is covered with 24,000 square meters of glass, arranged in diamond-shaped panes. It has only one piece of carved glass, which is the lens at the top. The Gherkin stands on the site of the former Baltic Exchange, which was severely damaged by a bomb in 1992. Next at number 3 is the Beijing National Stadium, China. Also known as the Bird's Nest, this stadium was designed for the 2008 Olympics and resembles a bird's nest, symbolizing a cradle of life. The Bird's Nest was designed by the Swiss architecture firm Herzog & de Meuron in collaboration with Chinese artist Ai Weiwei. The stadium took 4 years to build and was completed in 2008 for the Beijing Summer Olympics. It required 42,000 tons of steel and 110,000 tons of concrete. The Bird's Nest covers an area of 258,000 square meters and has a seating capacity of 80,000 people. During the Olympics, it could accommodate up to 91,000 spectators with temporary seating. And speaking of birds, how could we not mention this next structure at number 4, the Milwaukee Art Museum in the USA? The museum comprises 3 buildings, each designed by renowned architects. The War Memorial Center by Eero Saarinen, the Kaler Building by David Kaler, and the Quadracci Pavilion by Santiago Calatrava. The Quadracci Pavilion, completed in 2001, features a movable brise soleil sunscreen with a 217-foot span. This wing-like structure opens and closes, mimicking the wings of a bird. The museum's collection includes nearly 25,000 works of art, ranging from ancient to contemporary pieces. It is particularly known for its collections of American decorative art, German expressionism, folk art, and Haitian art. Its origins date back to the 1880s. It officially became the Milwaukee Art Museum in 1980 after the merger of the Milwaukee Art Association and the Layton Art Gallery. Situated on the shores of Lake Michigan, the museum offers stunning views and is a prominent feature of Milwaukee's skyline. Coming up at number 5 is the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe. The design of the Eastgate Center is inspired by termite mounds. Termites build mounds that maintain a constant temperature despite external fluctuations. Similarly, the Eastgate Center uses a passive cooling system that mimics this natural process. The building's ventilation system relies on convection currents, allowing fresh air to circulate naturally. This reduces the need for traditional air conditioning and minimizes energy consumption. Designed by architect Mick Pierce, the Eastgate Center combines modern functionality with Zimbabwean aesthetic influences. The facade uses locally sourced materials, reducing the building's carbon footprint. The Eastgate Center is a multi-use development that includes commercial and retail spaces, as well as office complexes. This versatility contributes to its economic and social impact on the community. The building's design incorporates shading elements to protect against direct sunlight, and the windows are sealed to reduce noise pollution and control temperatures. We are now back in China for the number 6 structure on our list, the Beijing National Aquatic Center. Also known as the Water Cube, this building's design is based on the structure of water molecules, creating a visually striking and efficient aquatic center. The building's facade is made up of over 4,000 ethylene tetrafluoroethylene bubbles, creating a translucent blue and green appearance. Like the bird nest, the Water Cube was built for the 2008 Summer Olympics and has a seating capacity of 17,000 people. It covers an area of 62,950 square meters and cost approximately 940 million Chinese yuan, which is about 140 million US dollars to construct. The building is designed to be highly energy efficient. Its ethylene tetrafluoroethylene facade allows natural light to enter, reducing the need for artificial lighting. It also features a rainwater collection system to reduce water consumption. The Water Cube is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Beijing, drawing over 4 million visitors annually. And finally, we couldn't talk about nature without mentioning the human body. And this structure is number 7 on our list, the Centre Pompidou in Paris, France. This cultural complex has an inside-out design with its structural elements and mechanical systems exposed, much like the human body's skeletal and circulatory systems. This design was groundbreaking and controversial when it was first unveiled. The building was designed by architects Renzo Piano and Richard Rogers, who won an international competition to create the cultural center. Their design was selected from 681 entries. The Centre Pompidou is not just an art museum, it also houses a vast public library, the Bibliothèque Publique d'Information, and IRCAM, a center for music and acoustic research. The museum is home to the Musée National d'Art Moderne, which is the largest museum for modern art in Europe. It features works by artists such as Picasso, Kandinsky, and Duchamp. The exterior pipes of the Centre Pompidou are color-coded according to their function: blue for air conditioning, green for plumbing, yellow for electrical systems, and red for elevators and safety systems. The top floor of the Centre Pompidou offers stunning panoramic views of Paris, including iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral. Since its opening in 1977, the Centre Pompidou has attracted millions of visitors. It remains one of the most visited cultural sites in Paris. That's it for today. The 7 awe-inspiring world of biomimicry in architecture, making it very clear that nature's genius has left an indelible mark on human creativity. Yes, the delicate petals of the Lotus Temple, or intricate web of the Bird's Nest Stadium, among others. So the next time you walk through a city or visit a landmark, take a moment to look closer. You might just spot the subtle fingerprints of nature's influence in the buildings around you. Now, tell us, do you know of any other fascinating examples of nature-inspired architecture? Leave their names and locations in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on Curious Gate. Please Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious.